Just add the water before I add water, and I'm gonna put the beans. I have 3 beans. And sa potato and onion, I put in medium high. So okay, so later I'm gonna put cover. Let's see. I put cover.